Ask men advice.
Whew.
Ex-romantic interest suggested a hookup. She has a boyfriend. Why do this?
Oof.
Ex-romantic interest turned friend. We got very
Why do this?
we got very intimated and close way before she entered into a committed relationship with her current boyfriend.
Classic.
We shared a deep connection, but she had feelings for this guy she is with now. She rejected my pursuit and I moved on.
Oh.
She suggested to stay in touch and stay friends, which I wasn't opposed to because she is a good friend.
Okay.
That's how we got close at the end of the day. The guy she is with is a very good man and he treats her well. And that's what's confusing to me. Why would you suggest to hooking up with me and betray this kind man? Don't tell me now that you miss the connection we had.
Right.
That ship has sailed. I can't do this to bro. I think I need to completely cut her off from my life. I told her what she suggested was wrong, and she should reflect on that. To me, this is something low lives do. I'm now grateful. I'm not in a relationship with her. Holy cow. Am I overreacting? This is wrong, right?